Use the graph of the function la 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 to solve the inequality. Okay, well, let's get this graphed first of all. It's in a lousy form. It should start minus x squared plus 4x plus 12, and then we could factor out a negative and get minus x squared minus 4x minus 12, and then we could even factor that and get x minus 6, x plus 2. So what does that tell us about the curve? It's got an x-intercept at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got an x-intercept at negative 2. There we are. And it opens down, so this parabola has a shape something like that. Now, the inequality they're asking about is when does 12 plus 4x minus x squared, in other words, when does the thing we just drew become greater than or equal to 0? Here's 0, right on the x-axis. When are we higher than that? And when are we equal to that? Well, of course we're higher than that all through here, all along that arc. We're also equal to 0 right on the line, and over here, right on the line. And we know what those x values are, fortunately. It's minus 2 all the way up to 6. So we could say the solution would be from minus 2, every x value from there all the way up to positive 6. What does that look like on a number line? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, that should be enough. So our solution, we're saying here, is everything from minus 2 up to 6. So we start at minus 2, solid dot because minus 2 is part of the solution. And then we go to the right, we cover every number along this line. Keep going, keep going, keep going until we get up to 6, and then another solid dot to indicate that 6 is okay. We don't have to stop at 5.999. We can actually go all the way up to 6. So there's the solution. State the solution to the inequality. Okay, C is a totally different thing, though not all that different. Now they're saying, when is this quadratic that we just drew less than 0? When does it go negative? Well, that would be this chunk over here, and this chunk over here, and also these 2 points count where it's exactly on 0. So the part on the left would be when x is lower than or equal to minus 2. The part on the right would be when x is higher than or equal to 6. So it's positive from minus 2 up to 6, and it's negative everywhere else, from negative 2 down and from 6 upward.